Hello, good evening. So today is June 30, 2026, and it's a Tuesday. Welcome back to another video. It's currently 8:21 p.m. So like previous video, this one is a little bit different. Um, I'm trying to show you guys the ins and out. So today I've received 3 alerts for 3 different assets. So these are assets that I already got alert for. They played out great. So now we have some new alerts. So the first one would be CHF-JPY. So CHF-JPY looking for a buy continuation. Now, where is it? This was a one hour ago. Yeah. So the area is confirmed where I should enter from. The stop is confirmed as well. So the white line is where I would enter. The red line is where I would place my stop. The green is where I would get out once I am right. Now, I am not blindly using the tool, even though I know I coded to my system. So I'm taking notes as I go along, which is, I remember the first 2 trades that I've taken with this Algo, I enter at 8 p.m. EST. So right now it's 8 p.m. So I'm on the chart looking to see if it's a good time to position myself for entry. The next thing I noted was price pull back into a 1 hour and a 4 hour fair value gap for one of the entries. So that's a rule as well that I'll be looking out to use. So for EURJPY, we have that 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gap. So we have that fair value gap and 1 hour fair value gap as well. So this right here, I would like to see a retrace, but you can see the entries right there. So I'm just actively monitoring to see if it makes sense to enter there. So the next pair on the watch list, I messed up. This pair is CHF-JPY. So let's move on to the next one. EURJPY. That's what I messed it up and said first. So EURJPY is the same thing, looking for a buy continuation. So EURJPY was the second trade that I took on the Algo, and that trade was taken this week right here. Profit a 4R. Sadly, I closed out before that 10R, but let's see for the next one. So similar, the 1 hour as that fair value gap, 4 hour as that fair value gap as well. And you can see it's showing we should enter right here, stops right there. So I'm just waiting to see if we would have that confirmation to enter a little bit higher. As always, the green area is where we would come out. And again, these trades would be a buy continuation, not a buy reversal, pertaining to these one down here. In my eyes, these were buy continuation as well, but it was the start of the move. So buy continuation, buy reversal. That's how I would classify the first entry. So this one would be just buy continuation. Now GBP USD is the final pair. So GBP USD, same scenario, waiting for price to come back to that 1 hour fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap, and you can see it. I'll go show we should enter that white area, red line where you would place your stop, green where you would come out. So these are raw alerts that I'm showing you guys in real time. We're gonna see how I react to either one of these asset, and I'm gonna try my best to keep you guys posted. So until I execute a trade, I'll update you guys and let you guys know which one I decide to take. Alright, chat. So it's currently 10:48 p.m. EST. I went with CHF-JPY I went long maybe an hour ago or a couple minutes. So we're about to hit that 1 to 2. I'm a 1 to 2, 1 to 1. And let me bring over the MetaTrader. So you can see right there, we're floating 87, almost at a 1 to 1. And yeah, honestly, price didn't come all the way to the key area that I was waiting to see price come to, but you know, I took it. Now with the Algo, you can see the stop would have got hit, but we didn't get a body closure, so that's a good sign. And when I trade, I manually execute trades, so I would look, wait for confirmation before I blindly enter, even though you could enter just off the algo, but not all the time it's gonna work, you know. And trading is a probability, not everything is guaranteed, or should I say trading is not always guaranteed. So yeah, that's about it. I'll keep you guys posted to see if we hit that 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. So chat is currently 12:58 a.m. about to be noon. I'm sleeping, man. It's about to be 1 a.m. in the morning. So I'm about to go to my bed. But I'm not even gonna front. As you can see, stop loss got hit, but I wasn't even paying attention. So my stop wasn't theoretically hit. Why I am using a manual stop where once I see price reach to that entry I would close out, but I wasn't by the chart at that time, so I didn't close out. So right now I'm back in profit. So yeah, now I put the original stop and I'm about to go to my bed. So next time around, if price comes back to that area and hit it, definitely I'll be out of the trade. But honestly, like looking at price action right now, like this wick was just uncalled for. Honestly, it was uncalled, and I would have never anticipated that wick either. You can see we were rallying to TP2, and then we just spiked down out of nowhere. Euro JPY did the same thing as well. The only difference about this one, if I had taken this one, I would be up a 1 to 2.5 on this one, but we're not even gonna talk about that because I'm not in that trade. And GBP USD is the smooth one, even though no TP1 got hit or nothing, but smoothly. So yeah, this one we're gonna see how it plays out tomorrow when I wake up. Thank God for not putting no stop loss. Yeah, again, the reason why I don't put stop loss and my FTMO challenge is because the spread are just crazy. So even if price was not that area, because of spread, I would have gotten taken out regardless. But let's see. Let's see. You could say this is a lucky trade. Yeah, because if I was actively monitoring, I might would have closed out. So let's see what the nights bring going over to London session. And that's the equity right now. So that's $126. The highest I saw was 160, close to that 1 to 2. So yeah, that's the trade right now. When I wake up in the morning, I'll fill you in and how it went. Hello, good morning, chat. So it's currently 8:09 a.m. I know. I don't know why I'm always messing up, but you know what they always say: every good thing must come to an end at some point. So CHFJPY, we finally took a loss. So my 2-day win streak has ended. We hit stop loss for 1 hour. That's okay though. It's a part of the game. You're not gonna guarantee profit every single day, but so far it's been smoothly, you know, not gonna complain. And also it's a new month, so happy July. It's the 1st of July. Now I could officially track the quarterly return, quarterly win rate and everything, you know. So not only for CHFJPY the trade failed, it also failed for EURJPY and GBP USD. I wouldn't say it failed as of yet, but let's see. Now EURJPY, I wasn't really that confident in taking this trade, but you know, I am going based off my system, which is the algo and my trading style as well. My trading style, I wouldn't want to enter so high, but with the algo, I'm working with what the algo is showing me right now. What else I was gonna say? I'm gonna show you the account balance as well. So going over a few things, which is why I wasn't so confident in it. I was buying very high. Me personally, I wouldn't like buying so high if I wasn't trading with the algo. But again, you're gonna encounter losses. Losses is a part of the game. It's nothing new. So we just gotta go with the flow and be disciplined. So my discipline is not trading right now. I'm finished. I'm done for the week. Not scared, but I'm done for the week. I've taken 2 trades, even though it's a new month. So, wow, trading is not gonna show so clean. I was trying to show you guys the account balance. Not gonna be so clean. So today I took 1% loss. So that's 93.44. With swap, everything comes out to $103. So we ain't gonna talk about or complain about spill milk. We're just gonna move on to the next setup. And yeah, that's about it. So it's all about being authentic, being true to myself and to you guys that are watching as well. So I'll be showing the wins, I'll be showing the losses, regardless of the outcome, while trusting the process. So I think that's it for the first week of officially testing it out day by day. You know, I only traded two times this week, 1 time last week. So we're gonna see what next week brings. So until then, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week in another video.